Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to copy ID from Hill Climb Racing 2. In Hill Climb Racing 2, your player ID is a unique identifier for your account. So in order to copy your player ID, first of all, open up the Hill Climb Racing 2 application on your device, and once you're in this page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. You'll then be able to open up the settings menu. At the bottom, go ahead and tap on copy my ID, and your player ID will be copied into the clipboard. So that way you will be able to copy your player ID. If you ever lose access to your account, then your player ID is crucial for recovering your progress, so make sure you go ahead and paste in your player ID to somewhere else that is safe. Simply go ahead and paste in the player ID, and that's it. That is how you can easily find your player ID and paste it in somewhere safe. It is also needed whenever someone tries to add you as their friend. You can always share your ID or use theirs to send friend requests to each other. So that way you can easily find and copy your player ID on Hill Climb Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.